The things flying around are not even the biggest problem in this video. Just watch how one of the cranes also collapses in the background. Imagine how strong a hurricane must be to be able to turn cars upside down. If you ever find yourself in a storm with strong winds and see a crane nearby, remember this video and get the heck out of there as soon as possible. Luckily, in this case, no one was injured. Massive flooding at Yellowstone not only washed away big chunks of the road, but also triggered a ton of terrifying mudslides.